Hi everyone, let's talk about NAKD Brand Group. It's a company that designs, retails, and sells women's, also the men's intimates apparel and swimwear products primarily in the United States. These have been growing very fast, basically since last year, from the $0.07 per share till 1.65. That is meaning over 2,000% up, but then they decreased that, and currently the market cap is 534 million. Financial health is only that is looking good, 6 out of 6. On the risk side, earnings have declined by 17% per year over the past 5 years. They printed a lot of shares and also highly volatile share price. We saw in end of January this year there was a huge upside, and then it decreased as fast as it goes up. The volumes were high, and now once again we see the raise in volumes, 284 million, compared, for example, to the previous month. There was a little bit in the June, also a little bit on May, but yeah, currently it's once again raising. There could be something happening, and let's have a look on the fundamentals. Price history, also the performance. They had CEO change, shelf registration, CFO change, some of the legal issues. Also, they entered the index. They had the annual journal meeting. That is, everything combined leads to the 1-year return 447%, so huge returns. And yeah, they are actually working in the US luxury industry, and of course it's beating the industry with those numbers. Also the US market long-term price volatility considered as lower than the average, also lower than the industries. Yeah, there's a New Zealand dollars, revenue 80 million, and earnings minus 68 million. That is combined. Yeah, that's actually in New Zealand's dollars. Valuation side, basically we see only, actually we don't have on a market watch, also the tip ranks is not showing any price targets, unfortunately. And future growth, also consumer durables industry, 13% past performance of the company. Historical annual earner growth decreased by 17.8%. That is meaning from the minus 13 million to the minus 68 million. And so as you can see here, since the January 2017, the revenue is decreasing, and same as the earnings. They had some of the peak here back in July 2020, but it still decreased. So this is actually the worst year since the beginning of this chart, June 2015. Company is unprofitable currently. Financial health side, let's have a look on the debt. They do have a debt, 17 million, but they do a lot of cash, 19 million, 89 million of the equity. And let's have a look how much they printed. So actually they printed a lot. So shares outstanding, they managed to even decrease it at some point. But then look at this, 2020, 1.5 million shares. And then they hugely increased that, basically made it 100 times. That's huge. That's very huge. And yeah, they raised some money from the market. This is everything okay for the company, not for the shareholders, because they could be high volatility on that. Yeah, if we'll open the all-time, this is actually minus 100%. So those who invested in the company's, you could say, best years, 2013, based on capitalization and capital, it was better than currents, minus 100% in the return all time. Debt to equity ratio is less than 20%, slightly less. Balance sheet looks mostly green. They're not paying dividends, insider transactions, no volumes, and actually this is holding 88%. General public, institutions 6, private public companies 5, insiders 0.002, and also the private companies. Top shareholders, let's have a look on this list. We don't find here any of the Vanguard or BlackRock, but many of them increasing. Morgan Stanley increased 7,454%, reported end of June this year. There's action on both sides, and as I said, shares outstanding significantly increased. Total sales are decreasing, as you can see, total sales growth decreasing, average of like 15% per year, minus side. And as I said, all time this is minus 105, past 5 year minus 99%. Only this year showing good, 469%. And investing.com, summary of the stock for long-term investors as a strong, actually it's not anywhere close, but summary as a sell. Moving average sell, technical indicators sell. And let's have a look at the comments. Bro, 30,000 shares a day, waiting for the big reward soon. God bless all buyers. Naked will naked all shorts, burst, run fast. So there's only wishing that it could short squeezed. So basically last new short squeeze starts now. This is actually, it is possible if they could manage, because here the same squeeze were in January. So anyway, thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and see you in the future one.